You guys are worried about this vitiligo so much and so much of suffering because of this. It's time to say goodbye to vitiligo. Yes, I have the solution for you. I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Clinics, and I am one of the member of American Academy of Micropigmentation, and I am a certified artist from there. And we have treated 50,000 plus vitiligo clients as of now, and we have got their actual skin color back by merging out their white patches. Yes, you heard me completely right. Our new advanced technique called nano pigmentation technique, we are the only people in the world doing this technique, and we can able to recover your skin back with no matter of time. Yes, many of them get scared about, is it give any side effects, will this going to spread more, or why this is happening and how to avoid this. Yes, don't worry, we have a solution for you. In this video, I am going to show you the real-time live process how we are doing this treatment. Do watch this video completely. Contact us if you have any more doubts regarding this treatment. Hello everyone, I am Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoos. So in this video, we are going to treat this vitiligo lip vitiligo patch. So I'm happy to explain you each and every process of this vitiligo video. We are going to make it step-by-step process. So step by step, let's start to see. So now I'm going to make a patch test on his lip, and we are matching the exact lip tone of his lower existing lip. Yes, that's what we are doing it. And many of them thinking that this and the tattooing process is kind of almost similar. No, it is not. It's completely different from the tattooing process. So let me tell you why it is different from the tattooing process. Because the inks which will be used completely different. The techniques which will be used, we don't use the needles here. We are using a cartridges. As you can see the videos, there is no bleeding, there is no swelling. It's a complete smooth process. He sits like a rock, and he's thoroughly going through the process perfectly. So that is how perfect this process is. As you can see, it's getting better day by day. Yes, so now it might looks little reddish, small bleedings will be there, but once the process has been done day by day, it will start to heal and it will start to give the exact output, and it will be match on your exact lip tone. It's almost going to end the patch test. As you can see, it's matching with his existing lip tone perfectly. So this down part we have done as a patch test. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Don't die nude.